guys, this is part 2. Don't mind that.
Alright, just wait, guys. Just wait.
Oh.
There's something.
Okay, so guys, yeah, I'm gonna
There's
go from
something.
Okay, I have this Hello Kitty. It's really cute. This is
Emotional friends of the fish.
Get out! I never disturb you when you're. This is my birthday gift, Hello Kitty, because Hello Kitty is my birthday. And this is the supply. This is lipstick and comb. Hey, no, don't. If you there, don't move the keyboard.
Okay, I really don't know.
Okay, and this is Jigglypuff. I do not want to show them ever again because in part 1, I showed Jigglypuff.
So what?
I'm gonna protect my fans. I don't want to my fans.
That's just a prank and it's just a sound.
Oh, I thought that I died because I pretend. And even I had this, my planner book, my multi-planner book.
Guys, I see something. Just wait. Just wait. It's a cheese.
Taran!
Want to eat it?
Hey! Or else I won't make a video with you. This is Chromie multi-planner book, even though I love Melody. Taran! Do you love it, guys? Comment below. Everyone has a fan on Chromie, but I have a fan on my Melody. But I do not even have a Melody things or stuff. And don't disturb me!
Because just
Then don't disturb me, you rat.
or
Or else what?
guys, watch this funny video on part 3.
Yeah, this is and part 3 is Ninja Taco. And yeah, I have money. This is money from Philippines, in case you know. This is 100 pesos. And this is 20 pesos. Actually, this is my money. 20. And this is 50 pesos.
Mama, nasaan yung alcohol?
And this is 100 pesos. And do you know alcohol? Oh yeah, alcohol instead of English. Do you understand alcohol? Yeah.
Alcohol?
Do you? Okay, sorry guys for disturbing. We actually ate. I'm sorry. Just kidding, that's my song.
Itong kalat mo.
Let me go trash this video. And where's my mom? Let me go just.
Hey, you know guys, the part 3 is coming and Sanggol.
Bye bye. And do you mean Sanggol means hand wrestling? So bye guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe too. And ring the bell. So we're famous. Bye.